Hi, this is Hongguan. Thank you for watching this video.
삼성전자 서비스입니다. 1번 문의는 안내.
안내.
통화 내용은 서비스 품질 향상을 위해 녹음됩니다. 서로를 존중하는 말로 상담사를 보호해주세요. 상담사를 연결해드리겠습니다. 반갑습니다. 상담.
네, 안녕하세요. 제가 사용하는 이어폰에 마이크가 안 되는 것 같아요.
네.
그래서 삼성 서비스 센터를 방문을 하려고 그러는데
네.
혹시 예약을 하고 방문을 해야 되나요?
전화 예약은 어렵고요. 직접 센터 가셔서 접수를 하셔야 되는데 고객님 언제 가실 예정이신데요?
아직 미정입니다.
네네. 그 평일이라는 말씀이신 거죠? 왜냐면 토요일이랑 오늘은 다 접수 마감됐거든요.
네.
네, 평일에 가시면 되는데 직접 가셔서 접수하셔야 되고 전화 예약은 어렵습니다.
가서 접수를 하면 된다 이 말씀이시죠?
네, 그런데 고객님이 가셔서 기사하고 상담 받아보시고 만약에 필요한 부품이 혹시 그때 없거나 하면 맡기고 다음에 찾으러 가셔야 할 수도 있습니다.
네, 알겠습니다.
좋은 주말 보내세요.
네, 감사합니다. 수고하세요.
What I liked about this place is that this place has been around for a long time. This specific Samsung Plaza has been here since when I was in middle school, and I came here whenever I had a problem with one of my Samsung products, including the MP3 player I had back in the day. This place is, I would say, within 15 minutes of walking distance from where I currently live, so the location is also convenient. In comparison, the nearest Apple store from where I live is not within my walking distance. I would have to take the subway to go there. Also, I like that the place wasn't crowded when I made the visit. I had the chance to check out what designs and what models seem to be popular and in demand. One thing I would say about a refrigerator is that I personally prefer refrigerators with a quiet compressor. A few refrigerators from Samsung's competitors were quite noisy in my past experience, and I like that most Samsung refrigerators I have encountered in the past were generally quiet. Another interesting thing I noticed during this visit was Samsung was selling rice cookers from a different brand. I don't think Samsung makes rice cookers, but I just thought it's interesting that they are selling rice cookers from different brands. Speaking of which, my understanding is that many Chinese consumers like Korean-made rice cookers and they pick one of them up when they visit Korea. I have one in my apartment and it makes rice and keep the rice warm conveniently. Regarding washing machines, I think the trend now is a 2-in-1, meaning a washing machine combined with a dryer in the same machine. A new product I saw during this visit was something called the shoe dresser, which supposedly keep the shoes clean and dry. When I reached the third floor, I spoke with one of the service representatives, and she told me that the earphone model that I have has been discontinued from production, thus they have to ship the remaining stock from a different service center, which means that I would have to come back at a later date when they let me know through the KakaoTalk messaging service. Since I was here at the Samsung Service Center slash Samsung Plaza, I checked out the latest Samsung Galaxy products like the A54, S23, S23 Ultra, Galaxy Z Flip 4, and the Galaxy Z Fold. When I came back at a later date, I successfully received the replacement in exchange of the old earphones with a broken microphone and my receipt. This was covered under the warranty, which was good. I did not need to spend 2 hours explaining what happened or spend 1 hour just to get into the store like one of the Samsung's competitors. The service was very smooth and I was satisfied with the result. Thank you very much for your click on the like button and your subscription. As always, have a nice day. Bye bye.